So according to the assignment instructions, I am supposed to show how my program works and how I was able to do it. So first of all, in the head, account head, the only changes that I made from that is different from what I did last week is adding the int get ID over here, and this is just going to be as a getter that is going to search for the IDs of the accounts that are going to be created. And basically over here inside the account CPP, I didn't do anything in here, but where most of the major changes happened was inside the program CPP. So over here I included a list over here that is going to list all the accounts that we have, and also had a header function, or let's say helper function that is going to help us to search through the accounts that are going to be created. So let's say if I'm able to create like 5 accounts, this is what is going to aid me to search through those accounts and then do something to it. And over here in the menu bar, we have exactly what I had last week, but I just made one changes. I added another option, which is to add a new account. So after creating the first account, you can perform any of these options that are provided over here in the menu. However, if you want to add more accounts, you can do that, and that is after that is when you can be able to search through the account you are having, because you will be having multiple accounts at that time. So basically that is everything. I'm going to run the code and then show how it works in real life. So when the code is being run, you could see that I have exactly what I have in my main menu over here. So let's say I want to add an account, which I'm just going to go ahead and then click on for, and it will ask of the name of the account. So let's say my surname Bonda, and then I'll click on enter, and it's asks of an amount I want to use. So $500 is the amount that I want to put it into it. If I want to check for the account information and how much I have in my account, and I click on it, I'm going to see that so far there is only one account available with the name Bonda, and the balance is $500. And I want to create another one to show that it's working. So this is going to be Henry, and Henry's account balance is going to be $100. If I click on it and then I search again one, I can see that I have more than one account over here. I have two, one for Bonda and one for Henry. Bonda's own is $500 and then Henry's own is $100. So that is how it works. I can go ahead and add so many accounts that I want, and if I have to go and let's say want to add a deposit to any of these accounts, I'll go ahead and shoot 2, and it's going to ask me for the IDs of the account I want to add the amount to. So let's say ID 0, I want to increase the amount. I will add let's say $100 to the 500. So if I click again on 1, I'm going to see that it has increased to 600. So that is how it works. And if I want to also make a withdrawal, it works the same exact way. You enter the ID, which in this case I'm going to use ID number 1 because I can see that I've made some changes to ID 0 and it worked. So let's try ID number 1, and then it's going to ask of the amount I'm going to withdraw. $50. And if I again search, you are going to see that $50 has been deducted from the amount that I have already on ID number 1. So basically that is how everything works. The program is working and functioning perfectly well as the assignment instructions says it should do. Thanks for listening.